guys, I'm Jen. I'm a CSMP Service Owner with Monterey County Free Libraries, and today I'll be showing you how to make a fortune teller. That is just one of the names though, so you might remember it by a different name, but hopefully this will help you remember. This is what they look like, and if you want to learn how to make one and play with your friends, then keep on watching. So let's first start with materials. Okay, so for this craft you'll need one piece of paper and colored pencils, which are optional, and that's all you need. So this one's pretty easy and very fun. So first, do this first fold like so. I'm gonna match these up pretty well so we can get a good square, because that's what we're gonna need to make this. We need a square piece of paper, but that is fine because we will get it this way. So it doesn't really matter what paper you use. Next, step 2. And fold right along here. And we don't need scissors because we're gonna just make sure we crease it with our nail so it's easier to do the rip. So we'll be ripping this part off. You might need to do it a few times so you can get a clean rip. Maybe you want to fold it the other side so you get that. Just go ahead and remove this piece. Nice. Okay. So now we finally have paper. This is what we're gonna need. We can go ahead and get rid of the other piece. We won't be needing that piece. We're gonna create another fold. So one of these, and we're gonna do same to the other side. Let's put these 2 points together. Perfect. Go. Now we have our creases. Next step is we are going to bring each corner to the center. Here, we're going to go ahead and flip that over and do the same thing on the other side. Let's get all corners to the middle. Final step, we just go ahead, since we have these little flaps, we're going to go ahead and open it up. You just do by sticking your fingers inside and doing it. I did it a little bit before this clip, so that's why it's creased already. It takes a while, but in the end, after opening it up, you should be left with this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it with the example model I had earlier just to save some time. So for the outside, usually you're going to put a color. I have black, purple, pink, and green. Of course, you can choose any color you would like. These are just the colors I chose. And then in the inside, you have numbers. You're going to want to number it on the inside, 1 through 8. That's how many flaps there are. And then on the inside, I'll show you right here. On the inside, you're going to write little things. Mine is based on what you'll do throughout the day. So like this fortune teller can help you figure out what to do for the day. But of course you can add whatever. You can add little notes. You can add jokes. Just anything you would like, really. Under the flap numbers. And now I will show you. You're going to do that for each flap. Now I'll show you how to use it. Practice. This is how it would go. So once you have that, let's pretend that somebody, our friend, chose the color black. So black has 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right in here, and then we're gonna ask them to choose a number. Let's say they choose 6. So from here we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now they choose a number again. And this will reveal what flap we are gonna open. Let's say they choose from here, they choose 2. So let's open up flap number 2 and see what they're gonna do for the day. They are going to go for a walk. If they would have chosen 1, they would have read a book. And that is just something that's pretty fun, I think. Again, you can fill it with whatever you would like, but it is just something very fun to do with your friends. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!